Here are the steps to send tokens in the Core mobile wallet. First, click the plus icon and from the menu, select Send. Here you can enter in the address that you would like to send the tokens to. I've copied an address already, so I'm going to paste that here. Then you can click Select and choose the tokens that you would like to send. From there, I'd like to send some Avalanche to this wallet, so I will click Avalanche. I will send one AVAX token. It will automatically input a normal network fee, but you can customize this or select the fast or instant option. It will display the fee amount below, and then you can click Next. Here it will give you a transaction detail overview where you'll see your network fee, the balance after the transaction in that account, as well as the address that you're sending to and from which account it's being sent from. Please make sure that the address that you're sending to is also on the correct network so that the tokens are properly received after they're sent. Click Send Now to initiate the transaction. Once it's complete, it will notify you that the send was successful. If you'd like to see details for the transaction, click the Activity button in the bottom menu. Here you'll be able to see that you sent one AVAX token. If you click into that, it will show you the transaction details, where the token was sent to, what kind of transaction type it was, as well as the status and the date. You can click View on Explorer to get more details if you'd like. To receive tokens in the Avalanche wallet, it's super easy. Click the plus icon again and select Receive. Here, you'll be able to copy your Avalanche C-chain address, and tokens can be sent directly there that are on the C-chain. To receive tokens from another network, just click the name of the network if it's been favorited. Otherwise, you can click the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner and select the network that you would like to change to. So if I want to receive Bitcoin here to bridge Bitcoin over, I would click Bitcoin. Then I can copy my Bitcoin address there. If I want to switch to a different network, again, I could use the main menu where I favorited different networks to display there. So let's say Ethereum. So I'd click Ethereum, and then I can copy my Ethereum address there as well. The C-chain as well as the Ethereum network addresses will be the same since it's EVM compatible. You want to make sure that it is the correct address though when you are copying it. And again, just remember to be mindful that when you're sending and receiving tokens, the networks need to be the same or they need to be compatible. For any additional questions, please reach out to support.avox.network and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.